I'm second year education. I can complete the year in machine. So, 10 classes, my marks is 85%, where I study to 17%, and then my second we study in JMJ, Jamshid Mahavidyalaya Jamshid, FY, and I'm suddenly studying in the freshly in TYBSc chemistry, and my special subject is organic chemistry, and then SY BSc, and so second topper of chemistry with CGPS it's 9.27%.
Can you tell me a little bit about your family background?
Yes. My family members are four. My father, my mother, and my brother, and me. My father is a farmer, and my mom is housewife.
What about your hobbies?
I like to read a book like chemistry, like professor.
What is your goal?
My goal is future. I want to be teacher, professor.
You want to be a professor. Okay, right now it is very good interview to take place. So you know what are the qualifications for the professor, assistant professor? It is at entry point.
I want to say qualified. MSc completing the related subject organic chemistry with say maybe qualified.
Yes. Can you
Qualified.
can you differentiate between organic and inorganic chemistry?
Organic chemistry, like the chemistry which chemistry is branch of science which deals with the study of natural substances like plant, animal, natural sources like the coordination bond is known as the organic chemistry, and inorganic chemistry it is a branch of chemistry, but we study then study of other than carbon atom is known as the inorganic chemistry. It's difference between organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry.
What is your strength? What are the strengths?
Yes. My strength is I am a good leadership for my job opportunity with me. I want to give and communication is my best with all members. Me communicative is best for performance for me, and leadership I am for me best for me. What is the relationship between inorganic and organic? Then chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry both are the same. For organic chemistry, we have to study like carbon compounds. Then with natural substances, it offers this naturally like carbon organic chemistry, and inorganic chemistry we study like other than carbon atom, just like we know that other carbon like nickel, sodium, the bond which bonded coherently is known as the inorganic chemistry. There are difference between organic and inorganic. Can your degree help in our company? Yes, of course. I was not properly your question. Please, can you?
So what is your use of chemistry in company?
Chemistry used in medicinal pharmaceutical company with use the chemistry. Also, we polythene or chemistry is branch. So we are the studying chemistry both organic, inorganic, polymer, analytical. Both are the study chemistry. So we are the studying pharmaceutical company both polythene. We are the generally we are the using like bottles polythene just to use chemistry. So that is chemistry. Polythene is glass with silicon dioxide. It's used for the silicon for the glass company for the manufacturing and glasses. So we are using the industry.
So as per the your goal has concerned that suppose you are getting chance same college after 3 years 4 years as an assistant professor. So you know the background of our students. So what kind of method you are using? You will be using in the classroom to teach the students.
whatever you have studied.
As we know, background of our student is a ruler, farming background. So what kind of method you will use, like bilingual or direct method, English or English Marathi? Which method you prefer?
Then I will first student have what can be English or Marathi. I will both languages can use because rural people just know the but it's English so not properly it's comfortable. So I want to be both language can use for the student. Like knowledge is one of the best for the student thinking. So I want to be both language can use for the student.
Yes, it is called bilingual method. I will use wherever it is required. I will go down. Not always. So I will not teach chemistry in Marathi. This I can explain. This is the something is there which cannot be interpreted by the student. So I will do. Okay.
What is your hobbies? Okay. Then I want my hobbies most of the readings for the chemistry books and other are kabaddi. Okay, kabaddi I would like to.
Watch out to play.
I want to watching with I watching very nicely, but I want to play with kabaddi.
Did you play at school level?
Yes, I want to be 10th and 12th. I want to play in Nanna's Vidyalaya for the kabaddi match with second prize for my team with the kabaddi and that's kabaddi match for the ammo block for the kabaddi match for player win and best and my college level for the best performance for this kabaddi level.
Yes. I think there is a it is a beyond that interview. So there will be the sports day also. So why not you make a team of your kabaddi and it will be more specifically girls team.
Yes.
So what are you expecting from our company?
First.
Specifically salary. What do you expect from us?
Okay. Specifically, I want to be per month. I want to be 15,000 for the per month for my salary, and I want to be expect for the company for the my room salary for the diminution. My mess, we can
Yes.
use this salary for
We can manage our day-to-day work.
What are the skills you have learned in the laboratory other than your teaching classes?
Laboratory skills like instrument for the using gloves,
Yes.
gloves and glasses for the eyeglass for the thing, making for the use for
Maximum
and food for the use for the making for laboratory chemicals and hard instrument like the HCl, strong acid is where the so we are used for the handling it.
Skills of using properly the assets in a laboratory. That is the skill.
I think she can talk an hour. We have that kind of video, but we will try to reduce it if we have time constriction. That's right. Okay, very good. Keep it up. Okay, let me know very soon.